Okay, you guys, so I just plugged this one in and now it's look like it's in a pairing mode right now. Let me go ahead and show y'all. Once you put this in, it clicks. You heard that? It clicked. So I'm gonna put those right there. I'm gonna put the other two on the other side of my bedroom so I could just go ahead and hook these up into the app. Okay, you guys, so right now I got the four outlets plugins hooked up into my bed. I'm in my bedroom right now, so I got all four of them hooked up. So right now we are going to go to eHome Lite. That's the actual app that Refoss uses, and we are going to see if we can find this right now. So let's go to plus, searching, no local devices found. Let's look. Okay, we're gonna go to Smart Plug Mini, because that's what they're called on the box. It says plug your Smart Mini in, press the power button if the LED is not on. All right, so the LED was blinking. Let's go hit next. It said in about 10 seconds, the LED light will begin blinking amber and green slowly. Note, if there's no HomeKit badge on the packet, you can also go to the Home app to set up the manage. Oh, okay, set up and manage the device. Okay, so if we don't do it from here, we can actually go to the Apple Home app, and we're going to do it there. But we are going to do both apps. So y'all stay with me real quick. Okay, we got the HomeKit version. Apple HomeKit. Make sure there is no logo in your package as shown above. Oh, make sure there is a logo on your package that's on above. Oh my God. Oh yeah, I brought it up. Thank God. Give me a second. Okay, you guys. So on the devices, they have the QR code on the devices. So I might have to scan that. Let's wait and see. Next. Okay. Now I gotta add the accessories. So let's see. All right. Outlet. Add to home. It says connecting to outlet. Sorry, I still had y'all guys over there. All right. So it says connecting to outlet. It's still blinking. The amber and the green. Okay. So it says outlet location. It just made a sound. All right, so the outlet location, we're going to say bedroom. Continue. All right, use the name provided or enter a custom name. All right, we are going to say master bedroom on this one. Master bedroom. All right, so we got master bedroom. Let's hit continue. Display, choose how the outlet will appear. All right, so this is cool. It's going to appear as an outlet, so we're going to continue. It says outlet added to my home. Okay, so it actually added to the Apple Home app at the same time while doing it on this app. So it did two apps at once. So I will recommend you to do it on the main app so it can do it on both apps. All right, hit done. Congratulations, your smart mini plug is successfully installed. Enjoy your smart home life with eHome Life. And the color is fully green. I don't feel like turning all around right now, but the color is fully green. Done. So we have master bedroom hooked up. All right, you can sort them by long press. Okay. Got it. All right, so we got master bedroom hooked up. I suggest that you may want to put like a piece of tape on here just in case you decide to put all these together. You might lose this and you might not know which bedroom is what unless you turn it off and on. All right, so let's go ahead and scan the rest of them real quick. This is pretty cool, you guys. If you looking, like I said, to turn your house into a smart home, my son, we're in the same house. Just why would he mess up my screen recording? Watch this, you guys. I don't know why would he mess up my screen recording. I'm gonna ask him. We're in the same house. Same house. Hello. Hi. What's up? What's up?
Talk to mom. Just want to come down. Food is ready, dude. Like, really? Yeah, food is ready.
Oh, okay. Love y'all.
Huh?
Love y'all.
Look.
Okay, so they was letting me know food was ready. Okay, let's get back. Okay, you guys, so I got everything hooked up now. I'm going to put y'all back on the screen record. All right, so whatever we did in the eHome Light app, we can go back. Whatever we did on the eHome Light app, transferred right into the Apple Home app. So as you can see, everything I put in the eHome Light app came to the Apple Home app. Right now we have the master bedroom right here. Now you see my TV is on and we have our plug-in, the protector, surge protector plug-in, the outlet, 6 outlet thing. All right, we have that plugged in. So I'm gonna hit master bedroom off. And then that's it. We hit master bedroom on, it comes on. Okay, you guys, so I actually figure out how to do, how to set the time on the outlets. Now this is important because for the most part, this is probably the most important part of having one of these smart outlets is having a time set. That's why we have it. But I know another important part of having it is because you want to turn it off and turn it on when you want to. So right here, what we do is go on the routine, press plus on the routine. You want on and off on schedule. And on here, you got guest room, master bedroom, and my kids' room. All right, so you can hit guest room, and it says I like to turn on the guest room, blah 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 stuff on, and right here you go. Now I like to turn guest room on at a certain time. So maybe you wake up around 6 a.m. before you go to work at 9 a.m. So right here it says you can have it on and then you can have it off. So you go on the on. This is the time you want it on. It works. Trust me, it works. I have already tested it. I'm not going to sit here, wait a minute just to test it out. All right, you go back. You can set it off on the time. So that's how you set the time. You have to go under routine. You have to go under routines one more time, plus, and then on and off schedule. All right, and auto off after X minutes. So you can have it set on auto off. Let's say you told your kids you got 20 minutes. All right. Sometimes your kids get into a game and forget that 20 minutes might be an hour. Okay. So right now you can set it to 20 right there. Go back to 0 hours, 2, and then 0. And then you can set it to 20 minutes and hit next. All right, and this name your routine or whatever. You could say bedtime. Say that's the routine for that. You could say bedtime or whatever, and then it cuts off, so you know that let's say bedtime, save. All right, so master bedroom bedtime. So you have a routine right there. I hope y'all like this video. I hope y'all like this product, and I will be reviewing more products like this. Please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and that notification bell, and don't forget to hit all notifications when you hit that notification bell, so you can be notified on all products that will drop on the channel. And I'll catch y'all in the next review.